I the only one that didn't know there's an amazing phone repair service right here in Covington, Georgia? Discover the top phone repair services in Covington, Georgia? Got a broken screen? No problem. Our skilled technicians can fix it fast. Battery issues? We can replace it in no time. And if water damage has your phone on the fritz, we'll bring it back to life. Why choose us? Friendly service, affordable prices, and quick turnaround times. Plus, we use high-quality parts to ensure your phone runs like new. So next time your phone is acting up, don't stress. Visit the top phone repair service in Covington and get back to what matters. Your phone deserves the best, and so do you.